Hi, welcome to GC Motors. Today I'm going to talk you around our 2019 6.9 plate BMW 435D M Sport X Drive. So the four-wheel drive on this 435D coupe. So you can see we've got carbon fibre exterior trim here, sits really nicely against that tanzanite blue paint, and we've also fitted those 20-inch M Sport upgrade alloy wheels for an optional price of $2,795. We're going to start off at the front of the car here. So there will be some age-related wear and tear due to the age of mileage, as you'd expect, but we guarantee no scratches through the paintwork, no dents and no scuffs to the alloy wheels. So we're going to get down here nice and close at the front of the car. You can already see we've got the custom BMW badges there on the grille. Carbon fibre grille surrounds here, and also that front splitter down there. Also carbon fibre, so really kind of striking additions to this car. They just make it stand out a bit more, I think, than the standard M Sport 4 Series. Really, really nice, and that paint looks fantastic in the sunshine. A little bit more carbon there on top of the light. So full exterior kit this car's had fitted. There are those 20-inch M Sport upgrade alloy wheels. The blue brake calipers behind there. Carbon fibre wing mirrors. See, the paint looks great down the side of the car. You've also got rear privacy glass there, it's slightly tinted rear glass. Blacked out badging around the rear here. You've got that carbon fibre boot lip spoiler and your twin exit exhaust down there at the bottom. So get a closer look at that boot lip spoiler here. Which pops open, take a look in here. So you can see the boot's lovely and clean in here, nice and tidy, really good condition. So just over 11,500 miles in this car. Yes, excuse the glare here, obviously a very sunny day here in Harrogate in North Yorkshire. Not that we're complaining. And you've got these lovely LED lights at the back of the car as well. So let's carry on around to the front. Yeah, also all the high gloss shadow lines, so the gloss black window surrounds, things like that. So next up, we're going to jump inside. Start off by looking into the back here. So you see we've got the black leather interior here, Isofix in the rear seats. So it's a 4-seater. Is the 4 Series coupe. And we'll go around and take a look. Back seats on the other side as well, just so I'm showing you kind of both sides. There we go. Really good condition back here. You can see that leather's really fresh. There's no bagginess or scuffing, kick marks, anything like that. So let's take a look in the front now. Start off on the passenger side. There we've got Harman Kardon audio. It's a great speaker system. There have been speaker systems in BMWs for a long time now. Sound absolutely fantastic. Take a look at this seat. So fully electrically adjustable seat there. So you've got your controls on the side. There's plenty of movement to get them comfortable. So just take a look across the interior here. And take a look down the seats themselves. Again, it's almost as new, that seat for a car with this mileage. That's really, really good to see. All across the interior, it's just in really, really good condition, which you'll see as we're going around. So there we go, there's Harman Kardon speakers again. On the driver's door card, you also get the wing mirror controls and the window switches there. Aluminium M Sport kick plates, and on the driver's seat, you can see not only is it electrically adjustable, you've also got the memory settings as well for the driver's seat. Take a look at the seat itself. There we go, yet again in really good condition. So let's jump in now and talk you through some of the interior features. So there we can see straight away we have the M Sport steering wheel. It's got that central boss. So the really nice steering wheels, feel great in your hand. Really nice and responsive. So we just get the car fired up now. So again, we've got the custom badge there. The black BMW emblem there. So cruise control and speed limiter over on the left hand side of the wheel. On your right, you've got volume, voice control, infotainment stuff, things like that. And shift pedals on the back. So it's the automatic, this car, but you can manually shift through the gears with those pedals if you like. So keyless start as well. So you have the keyless start button just to the left of the steering column. So you can see central screen here, DB radio, satellite navigation. It's a really nice wide screen here, really clear. It's also BMW's professional satellite navigation system, so the kind of top of the line system there. Pro Nav, as you might know it as. And if we put the car into reverse, you can see we just get a visual display there of the front and rear parking sensors. So not only do you get those kind of audible beeps, but you just get that display there, just so you can see what's going on around the car. Down here, dual zone climate control. And you've also got your heated seat controls as well for the driver and the passenger seat. 3 different settings there. Down here then, our gear selector, and you can also toggle through the different drive modes here. So you've got Sport, Eco, Pro, and just kind of sharpen up throttle response and things like that. And on the left is your iDrive control as well. Just how you navigate through the infotainment system. Really easy to use, really logical. So yeah, next up we're just going to jump out and we're going to go and take one last look at the exterior of the car. There it is then, that's our 435D M Sport with that carbon fibre exterior pack, those upgrade wheels, finished in this lovely tanzanite blue paint. So it's live on our website now, you can check out all the photos, read through the full specification, and you'll also have all the details on how you can get in touch with us on there. That's gcmotors.co.uk. So I hope this video has been useful. Cheers!